To add a hem, I click on the hem button from the sheet metal toolbar. The first thing I need to do is select the edge I wish to fold over. You can click the reverse direction button to fold the hem to the opposite side. These two buttons control whether the bend is added to the inside or outside of the existing edge. If you don't want the hem to extend the entire length of the edge, you can click on the Edit Hem Width button. You can adjust the type and size of your hem. It is possible to create a hem on more than one edge. Keep in mind is that the non-linear edge must be tangent to the linear edge.